Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I am just going to get to it. So analysing these sketches, this last sketch from this page, I'm really happy with it because it was a particularly difficult pose because she's tilted her head down and looking up, so the eyes were actually practically touching the eyebrow, and she looks really quite annoyed. So it's an emotion I was actually steering clear of just now. I was sticking to neutral or slightly happy expressions, and this one definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone, and I think I handled it relatively well. Sketch 1 took 3 minutes, sketch 2 took 2.5 minutes, and sketch 3 took me 2 minutes. Really happy with overall results. I utilised, as per usual, good speed, creating the feedback loop, along with geometric and observational methods. The 3 sketches are all similar. You can tell they're inspired from one original reference. I also use quick sketching, creating less lines, a quicker method of an approach to sketching. And it's, as I said, my ratios and my layout, my structure is far improving compared to 3 months ago, let alone 8 months ago. So I'm really happy with overall results today. Check out the rest of the channels from the previous weeks. Let me know if you are interested in creating sketches this way or learning in general. It doesn't need to be to do with art, it can be for anything. And let me know, to all the subscribers, thank you so much. To new subscribers, any viewer at all, thank you so much. And I shall see you next time. Bye!